The road testing continues, and we're seeing an increasing number of mishaps out on the roads. There was the Uber fatality that I mentioned in March 2018, and also worth mentioning is that for that and other reasons, the facility closed down in January 2021. Local Motors had a crash in Canada in December 2021, and the company closed shortly thereafter. Pony AI had a crash in California in October 2021. Fortunately, there was no one in the vehicle and no other road users were hurt, but they had their uncrewed test permit revoked, and I have to imagine that set them back. WeRide was filmed having a sleeping test driver also in California roads in October 2021, but the company just deflected the issue as no big deal, and there was no apparent regulatory action. EasyMile has had phantom braking injuries to passengers who get thrown around in the interior, both in 2019 and 2020. Now the thing is, there's a standard for doing crewed road testing, SAE J3018, that's been around since 2015 and was updated as recently as 2020 in light of the Uber fatalities. But there's only one company using this standard. So we have a Society of Automotive Engineers standard for how to do safe road testing in terms of making sure the safety driver is alert and qualified. And there's only one company who says they follow the standard. This doesn't seem right, but that's the world we live in right now.